Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, this red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now let's take a look at this option bar at the very top, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution option. So let's tap, and as you can see here we've got three different options from which we can choose. So currently we've got 1080p option applied. As you can see, this icon is highlighted in this orangish color, which simply means that it is applied. But we can set 720p or 4K. It's of course up to you. And let me show you how to change it to 4K, for example. Just tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately highlighted. What's more, it is also notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution to record videos. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.